Welcome everyone. I'm back in my messy garage. I need to sort out this 7 Series. It's not neglected. I was busy with people's cars for almost a year. I couldn't get the original gearbox fixed. Tried to get a used gearbox, but very expensive for the very same model. So someone advised me to get a 535 box, the e23 shape. So I got one manual and then I bought it. So my guy put it in, and then the prop shaft was not long enough, so I had to go and prop shaft made. So I collected the prop shaft 2 weeks ago, and there were issues with calipers, so my guy put the calipers and the brake discs, so I was not here to record. So what I'm gonna do now, check up the car, put in the prop shaft, try to start the car. It hasn't been started since, but yeah, thanks. My name is Davis Muhomo, Stay tuned, guys. Yes, we're finally back on the road now. I had issues with the first gearbox. I had to take it out. They gave me another gearbox, but now this one runs very nice, very smooth. It's a 535i E34 gearbox. you go. My 1983 728i. It drives and original, but the difference is the gearbox. 535i gearbox. I can feel the difference compared to the old gearbox. It drives. Thanks for watching. This is Davis Mohomo. Ke rekisa dikoloi.